Hi guys, today I will show you how to use Flipgrid for your speaking test. So first of all, I will explain how to do it um, with your computer, and then I will explain you how to do it using a computer. I'm sorry, your phone. So let's begin. First of all, you have to go to this link. And once you are here, you have to write your name. You have to write your first name and you have to use capital letter. That's very important. So you have to press go. And wait a little bit. So once you are here, you will have access to this room and you can record a response. The instruction of this speaking test are going to be given by Miss Tania. So I'm just going to explain how to use the application. You press here where it says record a response and you will have here, sorry, you will have 5 minutes to do your video. So for example, here you have this option. You have some effects that you can use. You can use filters, frames, emojis, and so on. So you can choose, for instance, this frame, and maybe a filter, maybe that one, this one. And you can also use emojis. You have a lot of emojis here, so you can choose. I'm going to choose one from here. Okay, this. You can change the size, okay, and put it whenever you whatever you want. I will put it here. So then you can record yourself. So it would be something like this. Or you can choose another filter. Okay, that one, a rainbow. No, don't use this one, okay? The bricks, no, don't use it. Black and white, if you feel comfortable, okay? And then you record yourself. You have to answer the questions. So for instance, I'm going to start recording. And you talk about yourself, okay? For example, hello, my name is Carolina. I'm 24 years old. And you can also pause. Okay, you pause the video because maybe you forget something that you have to say. So you can pause the video, and then when you remember what you wanted to say, you click here again. And I live in Arica. I live with my mom, with my dog. And then you pause the video again. So when you're ready, you have to press this button, next. So that will be the video. You can check it here again. And you can also add more things in case you forget something. and then you pause the video and go next. And that part will be here. Okay, you can also delete that clip, delete it, and you will have the first, you will have the first record that you did. So when you finish this, you have to go to the next button, and here you can submit your video. In order to avoid like this face, you can change the cover of your video. So I recommend you to take a selfie. Okay, so I will put okay my hand, and you can also here put effects. You can draw. I will draw a heart. I don't know why, and a happy face. Okay, and then you confirm the option. So your teacher is going to see this cover, okay? And then you write your name here. You can write your surname, and then you submit the video. You have to wait a little. And that's it. You can download your video or your selfie. For instance, I'm going to download my selfie, my super selfie. And here I have my super selfie. And well, this you have to refresh the page, the website. And here I have my response 1 minute ago. Okay, well, this example is the one that I show to your classmates, but here you can watch the video. Okay, so this is the example. You can come back to the room. You cannot delete your video. Okay, the only person that is able to do that, in this case, it's me. Okay, so in case you upload something that you didn't want to upload, you can contact me and I can delete it. But you can also record a new video if you want, but you cannot delete it. Okay, and that will be it. This is how you use Flipgrid by using your computer. And in case you cannot use your computer, you can use your phone. Okay, so in order to use to do that, you have to go to Apple Store or Google Store or App Store in case you use iPhone. And then you have to choose the option, these three options. You will have these three options. So you have to choose the student option. Then you have to write the code, this code, but you can also use the link, so you don't have to write the code. And finally, you have to write your name. Remember that you just have to write your name. So in case your name is Pedrito Rojo, you just have to write Pedrito. And remember capital letter, to use capital letter. And you have the same options as I showed you before, the filters, the effects, and all that. So that will be it. I hope you understand what I try to say. But in case you have doubts, you know that you can contact me. Bye.